Good job, dude. Get up there. Get up there, bud. Are you ready? Okay, watch where you're going, okay? Ready, set, go. I'm right behind you. I'm gonna come beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Oh, you're so fast. You're too fast. You're too fast. Yeah. Good job, buddy. I know, he's getting better. One more time, Ethan, last one.
This is the same bike.
Okay, come on.
This is a short car.
Okay, here, come on. Ready? Okay, last time and we can go home. All right, ready? Okay, ready, set, go. Watch where you're going, Ethan. I'm coming. I'm coming, boy. I'm coming, Ethan. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go, 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 go. Go, Ethan, go. Good job, dude. We got some new competition.
On a snack now.
He always wanted to go on my road bike with me, so I'm like, might as well. Do you have a mountain bike? I have a mountain bike.
Are you going to climb the tree?
No, he's like, always wanted to come ride.
Oh no, you're such a yes, such a bastard! Try to get on the
shotgun seat for the mountain bike? No. That's what I was asking.
I want to try to get on the tree now.
Yeah. My buddy has it. Oh, there.
Scary.
Okay. Dude, that one's cool because I can hear him talking,
Daddy.
looking around.
Huh? I'm going up here. You have to go right. Huh?
Come on, Ethan.
Let's get up
Ethan.
here.
Come here.
He wants to climb the tree.
I know. Come on, last time, then we can go. Are they doing that California Classic? I don't know that they are. They might do like the run and all that.
Come up here.
You better go fast. Ready, set, go. I'm gonna beat you this time. You gotta go faster. Faster. Go faster. Go faster. Go, 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 go. You better go faster. You better go faster.
Daddy! Now they're going to go fast.
Go, 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 go. Go,
Now one more time.
go again, Ethan. All right, let's go. Oh, whoa, 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 come on. Yeah, gotta keep going, bud. We'll see you next time, okay?
Zoe the 1, Harper the 2. Jane the
Come on,
3.
Ethan.
I want that trophy.
Yep, that's your trophy, buddy.
I'm gonna bring it home.
Yep, you get to bring it home. You wanna hold it?
Zoe the 1,
Good
Harper
job,
the
dude.
2.
Don't take the wheel off of it, okay? Come on, let's go.
That
You
wheel
can put it in your room, buddy.
could be my treasure.
Hey, that is your trophy for being so good.
On the inside, you can open.
Let's buy it.
Hey, Ethan, I'm proud of you, buddy.
I wanna
really good job.
sign this.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I'll sign.
I'm really proud of you, Ethan. You did so good today.
Now it's time to go to the water, Daddy,
Yes.
and go and
I am so proud of you, bud.
uh,
I'm so proud of you, buddy. You did so good.
the wheel does.